Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. What is new? So today's video is going to be on this look right here. It is a rainbow cut crease, and if you want to see how I created it, then please keep on watching. So because my eyebrows have faded a little bit, I am going to be going in with the Maybelline Brow Satin in the colour dark brown. My eyebrows aren't that dark, but this suits really well, so I'm just going to put that to fill it in a little bit. Do you want to know the tea? It's English breakfast. And today I'm going to be carving my eyebrows out with the Maybelline. It's just a Maybelline concealer. It doesn't actually tell me which one it is. So that's great. I'll do that and I'll be right back. It's all primed. I am using colourful M35B, not M, and James Charles palette as always because they're the best colour payoff. I haven't set my base, so this might go really well, but really bad. So I'm going to be going in with this yellow colour here, and I'm just going to be starting in the middle and working my way out. So it's going to go yellow, orange, pink, red. Okay, so that's all in the inner corner and kind of blending into the middle, and then we are going to go in with this orange here, and we're just going to put it next to it and we're going to blend them together. So now that's all done, you can see it's like going from yellow, transition to orange, and we're going to be going in with the neon pink from the James Charles palette. This palette is amazing. And this pink is amazing, but it's, I don't know, it sticks to my skin, which sucks, but it's lucky for the people who don't have to deal with that problem, because I wish I didn't, but it's not that big of a deal. So that's looking pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna like just do a half cut crease and then leave it like really like, or if I'm gonna do like one of the, I don't know, we'll work it out, we'll get there. But for now, I am going to take another brush, another Morphe brush, and I am going to go in with the red. I keep putting my finger in it. Stop that, Amber. And I'm going to be doing it on the outer corner, blending it all together. These pressed pigments are amazing. Look how well the pink shows up. Love that. Isn't that what the red's called? Okay, so that's all done. The red and the pink kind of blend in together, but that's okay. Now I'm going to cut the crease, and I think I'm going to do one of those like, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that using the Beauty Beauty because it's the lightest, so the glitter will show up, and a flat end brush. Oh, it broke. Not that the light works anyway. Okay, so that's all cut out. How's it doing? Oh! So far so good. Yeah, like now let's put glitter on. Sorry, it's like 9 in the morning. I never film at 9 in the morning. Okay, so for glitter, I'm using this little like loose glitter from, oh, it's body glitter. Oh wait, I think we've been over that. I think I knew that. And I'm going to be putting on with this glitter glue. So I'm just going to put the glitter glue on the back of the flat end brush. I'm going to pack it on and then put the glitter on top. So we're going to go do that, and there's going to be glitter everywhere for another 3 years, but that's not my problem because the next people will deal with that. So just putting the glue on this, and then we're going to put it on my eyelid. Oh, it's sparkly. I just got it all over my desk. So now somehow we're going to get the glitter on top of it without getting it everywhere, which is impossible. So just put the glitter in here. And then I'm just going to take this brush and just try and get it on. Like that. Sparkle, sparkle. The magic makeup brush. Okay, so on this eye in the corner, I'm going to be taking this green here, and I'm going to be I'm going to be putting it all in there. So now that I need to stop saying so. Okay, now that the green's done, I'm going to be taking this light blue and I'm going to be blending it next to it so we can transition into a darker and then a purple. So yeah, I don't know what that one's called, but James Charles palette. Now that I look like I'm crazy, we're gonna blend the, look at that. We're gonna blend this dark blue here into it. See. God, this side's starting to look like a drag queen. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this purple shade here and just finish off the outer, Jake's staring at me. And finish off the outer corner. So, yes. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using these. They don't have anything on the back. I forgot where I got them from, but they're really, really pretty. I think they're foam ink, I think. Beautiful. Okay, the lashes are on, and now I'm going to be putting my Superstay 24-hour Maybelline foundation on, and oh my, I'm just going to be applying that with a stippling brush all over my face. For concealer, Touch Shape Tape as always, because I love it and nothing will replace it. Blendy blendy. I'm gonna set my face with this, as I always do. I need to find more powders. Like, this is great and all, but I'm sure you're all getting bored. I'm going to be taking my big fluffy brush and I'm going to be going in with the Hoola bronzer and just bronzing up my face a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to be... Why am I dropping everything today? Oh my god. I'm going to be contouring with that one in the Australis. I am going to be setting eyelash my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. There's 2 lids. So for highlight, I'm just going to be taking the Tarteist Pro to Glow and just a fluffy brush. I don't like using the other one because I think it doesn't work properly. For lips today, I'm going to be using the XOXO lip liner and the Kylie Cosmetics because I don't have matches. So okay everyone, this completes this video. This is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I just decided that I thought I would recreate this look and make it a video. So I'll see you all next week with something exciting as well. Bye!